Salute. You belong here. You are called here. Do you know how powerful you must be? Do you know how powerful you? I'm going to say it one more time. Do you know how powerful you are? Do you understand how powerful you must be for these level of high ranking angels? Oh, and Archangel Michael? You are powerful. Act like it. Your high ranking angels have been released on your behalf. They are en route to you now. Some of you, they're already there. If you are new here, I'm Somali and I don't do surface level motivation nor mindset identity shift. What I do is divinely activate you. Now, let's be crystal clear. I'm not for everyone, but I am for the ready ones. So if you are in agreement that your high ranking angels are here, I need you to put a 1 in the chat first. And now I'm going to go deeper. Your high ranking angels are here. Yahweh Sabaoth. Ta Sabaoth is here. And the angel of Yahweh. Do you understand what I am saying? Those are 3 high-ranking, commanding, sovereign angels, angelic beings that have the authority to command armies, hosts of armies, legions of armies, territorial dominion. They are here to fight on your behalf. They are here to guarantee that this wind turns in your favor, pivot, turns and goes the way it's supposed to. They are here for you. And if you agree that they're there for you and they're here or they're on their way, put a 2 in the chat. Many of you may not know, but I want you to slow down and pay attention. They want to communicate with you. Your angels need your participation. They are here to command heavenly realms, cosmic realms, heavenly angelic beings, forces, the earthly realm, the elements, and I can keep the stars, the sun and the moon, the earth. Everything now is supporting you. Everything now is helping you. But you have to surrender. So I need you to comment, I surrender to my high-ranking help. I surrender to my high-ranking help. You are not alone and you don't have to fight. You don't have to pick up not one more weapon. You don't have to do nothing but pop some popcorn and sit back and watch as your angelic host, the armies, the heavenly armies, the special op forces, your tactical team, your SWAT team, fights your enemies, the kingdom of darkness, evil entities in the form of humans on this earth. It is not your fight. You made it to the other side. And this is what they didn't want. They did not want you to make it to this side because they knew if you made it to this side, they were going to be released. So right now I need you to close your eyes and I need you to ask to see your angelic assistants. Yahweh Sabaoth, Ta Sabaoth, and the angel of Yahweh, who are host, Lord of hosts, Lord of the angel armies. Ask to see them so that you can know where they're coming from. Ask to see them. Ask to interact with them. Get to know your high-ranking help, because I promise you, you can't do it without them. You cannot do what is required of you in this next season without them. You cannot go to the places, to the people that you need to go and speak to without them. They will handle dominions. They will handle thrones. They will handle principalities. They will handle territorial demonic entities so you can do your thing. You cannot do this next assignment alone. If you have made it this far, say, I won't do it alone. Put a star down below. That'll let me know you made it all the way to the end. You got this. You are now on the other side. I told you this was your final warning because your high-ranking angels are here. The required capacity that you now have required that the old you had to go. The old version of you couldn't make it here. Some people couldn't make it here. Everything that happened in your past happened for you to make you the powerhouse you are right now so that you can move in accordance with the high-ranking angels. Let's go and keep shifting with me. If this resonated with you, comment below and let me know, because this is something that normally I release in private to my private community, but I know this is not just for them and it's definitely not just for me. Let's go.